Welcome to Cherokee RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to do a walk around on a Gray Wolf Limited 26 DBH. It's probably our number one selling camper this year. Very, very nice, has lots of features. You'll notice it has a wrapped fiberglass front end with a rock guard or a strike plate on the front here. It's an aluminum sided camper. It has a power tongue jack here on the front. These are the only campers we carry that are pre-wired for a solar panel, so you can put a solar panel on top of the camper. Also, it has a nice storage area here underneath, carpeted storage area. It has electric stabilizer jacks all around. It also has a power awning. Nice size power awning. It has outside speakers and TV hookup out here and a TV bracket. It has powder coated rims versus white rims so they don't rust out. And then you have a second door that goes directly into the bathroom from the outside. Then all these have the bike rack on the back. It flips down. You can put bikes, coolers, all kind of things on the back here, and also has the spare tire. Move on to the inside. Up here in the front, it has a queen size bed, shirt closets on both sides, storage above, storage underneath the bed. And here's your entertainment center. It has a CD and stereo with a USB plug. TV bracket, same as the one outside. It also has ducted air conditioning, speakers inside. Nice storage. All these campers also come with 1 year free roadside assistance through CoachNet. Has a sink cover with a nice huge sink, nice glass stove top cover. You have a Norcold refrigerator, and then it has a huge pantry. You don't see these in many campers. Huge food pantry, lots of storage. Here's your bathroom. It has a nice huge sink, not a little dinky sink like a lot of them. You have a medicine cabinet, your door that goes outside, a foot flush toilet, and a nice tub and shower. Has a skylight and a 3-speed fan for extra airflow. And then this model has the bunk beds. It has 2 full-size bunk beds with windows, outlets. You have a ladder here. And it has a nice U-shaped dinette, which is very popular. You have huge drawers on each side of this dinette that pull out. Then it has a nice vinyl jackknife sofa. Very, very nice camper, folks. We have these on sale today at Cherokee RVs in Piqua. So come and see us today at Cherokee RV.